The Wichita Mountains, located in southwest Oklahoma, are said to be among the oldest mountains you can find today, dating back over 500 million years ago. Well, what types of rock are found in the Wichita Mountains, and how'd they get to be here? Well, join us as we answer these and other questions in our short video. Let us answer the first question. How did the different kinds of rock come to be in the Wichita Mountains? Well, about 530 million years ago, the Earth's crust was split in this area and intruded by massive amounts of magma. The magma cooled to form the rocks of the Wichita Mountains. This includes the Mount Scott granite, Quanah granite, gabbro, and the rhyolite rocks. So what gives us the rocks and their unique properties? There are three types of rock: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Today we're going to focus on the most common found in the Wichita Mountains, and that's a granite, and that is an igneous rock. The first one is the Mount Scott granite. This salmon-colored granite has medium-sized pink crystals of potassium feldspar with a few gray crystals of pelagious feldspar and scattered black crystals of some other minerals. There's also the Quanah Parker granite. This coarse-grained granite is composed almost entirely of two minerals, potassium feldspar and quartz. This is a light orange, pink, peach-colored rocks. Another type of rock you may see in the Wichita Mountains is igneous rock is gabbro. This is composed of another feldspar and is the dark and coarse-grained rock you see. So what do rocks do, and why are they here? Why are there some grassy areas and others filled with trees? Rocks are the reason why. Notice the tree line, there's a separation. There's granite and there's gabbro. The trees flourish in the soil from the gabbro rock that is weathered, but trees do not grow well in the soil from the granite. This is why you see the grasses. The soil derived from the gabbro rock has the following elements: magnesium, iron, silicon, oxygen, magnesium, and iron. The trees need these for photosynthesis. Silicon, oxygen are the most abundant elements in the Earth's crust as part of the soil. If we show you a chart of the Boron's reaction series, it'll show you how rocks were formed and how they weather and erode. This chart shows the stability of minerals, with the ones at the bottom being the most stable, less able to weather, and the ones at the top being the quickest to weather to become soil. We talked about the different elements that make up the soils that cause the different types of vegetation in that area. Let's look at the periodic table of elements. This is where you can find all the elements located on the Earth, and each type is contained in different types of rock. This gives us soils that can allow grasses to grow, as well as the trees you saw earlier. As the rock breaks down, it forms the soil, and it contains all the minerals and elements that were located in that type of rock. We mentioned the tree lines and how there's a definite edge there where you start seeing gabbro type rock. Sometimes you can see vegetation still growing up sides of the mountain with trees on the edges where there's some gabbro located there. Hopefully this has been an insightful journey into the different types of rock you can find in the Wichita Mountains, and to give you more of a reason to look around you because of the different minerals found here and rocks found here is a reason why things can grow here and nowhere else in the world. Thank you for watching. You're encouraged to look at geologic province maps of Oklahoma. Compare the Wichita Mountains to the eastern Oklahoma, Wichita, which is sedimentary rock. Also, take a look at the vegetation that grows in that region you're in. Who knows what you may find.